Hello everyone. Today, so that even those of you who are using Binance for the first time can easily follow along, I will explain in detail, step by step, the entire process through the app, from how to sign up, to peer-to-peer trading, and even futures trading. Then let's get started. First, I'll show you how to sign up for Binance. Please install the Binance app on your mobile device. If you search for the Binance app on the App Store or Google Play Store, you can easily find it. Once the installation is complete, please open the app. On the home screen, you will see the Sign Up button, and for registration, please press this button. First, let's create an account. For the account, you need to enter either your email address or mobile number. Then check the consent box below, and press the Continue button. When a verification code is sent to the email or mobile number you entered, please enter the verification code you received. Now please set your password. Your password must be set to 8 characters or more, and include at least one uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and number. Next, you need to register an inviter. At this step, please make sure to select the Yes button. If you skip this step, you will no longer be able to register an inviter, so please make sure to complete it. Then you can enter the referral ID. Please enter BB333 here. Then you can receive a lifetime 20% discount on Binance fees and various bonus benefits. Next, I'll show you how to complete KYC verification. To use deposit, withdrawal, and trading functions on Binance, you must complete KYC verification. First, select the document issuing country. Then proceed with ID verification. From the document types shown below, please select one ID document that can be used for verification. I will choose passport. Please prepare the selected ID and press Take Pictures. When the camera opens, fit it to the screen frame, and clearly capture the information page of the passport. Once the photo is complete, face verification will proceed as the next step. After aligning your face within the camera frame, please perform actions such as nodding your head or blinking your eyes. Once this process is completed, your KYC verification application will be complete. Usually, the review takes about 1 hour. And once the review is completed, you will be able to see that the KYC verification has been approved. Next, I'll show you how to set up two-factor security. To strengthen the security of your Binance account, I recommend setting up two-factor security. First, on the Binance home screen, press the Binance icon at the top left, and then press the arrow icon at the top right. Next, to configure security, please select the security menu. Today, we will set it up with the Authenticator app, which has the strongest security. Press Enable to activate it. When a verification code is sent to your email or mobile, enter the verification code you received. Then the Authenticator setup screen will appear. Here, you can see that Binance's 16-digit key has been generated. After copying this key, please install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, please open the app. Then press the plus button at the bottom right, and select Enter a setup key. For code name, enter Binance. And for your key, paste the 16-digit key you copied from the Binance app. Then press the Add button below. A 6-digit code under the name Binance will be generated in the Google Authenticator app. After copying this 6-digit code, please go back to the Binance app. Press the Next button below. Now, in the Authenticator app code field, please paste the 6-digit code you copied from the Google Authenticator app. Then the two-factor security setup will be completed and your account security will be strengthened. Now, in order to use various features on Binance such as futures trading, let's switch to Pro mode. On the Binance home screen, please press the Binance icon at the top left. If you press the Binance Pro button at the bottom, it will switch to Binance Pro mode. Then you can use various features. Second, I'll show you how to do Binance peer-to-peer trading. There are various ways to deposit coins into Binance, but in today's video, I will show you the peer-to-peer trading method, which does not incur fees. First, press the Assets button at the bottom right. If you look at the top menu, there are several types of wallets. Futures is a wallet for futures trading, And spot is a wallet for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading. To deposit coins, please select spot. Then press the Add Funds button. In the deposit method, select a peer-to-peer option. Then the peer-to-peer trading screen will appear. First, if you press this button at the top right, you can select the local currency to pay with for purchasing coins. Next, please set it to buy mode to purchase coins. If you press this button below, you can select the coin you want to purchase. Generally, USDT is widely used because it has high trading volume and low volatility. If you press this button next to it, you can enter the amount you want to purchase. And if you press the button next to that, you can select the payment method. Once the settings are complete, various advertisers' lists will appear below. Here's a tip for safe trading. I recommend trading with an advertiser that has high trading volume and a high transaction success rate. After selecting the advertiser you want to trade with, please press the buy button. Sometimes some advertisers may require additional identity verification. Before placing an order, please be sure to check the advertiser's info first. Then enter the purchase amount and select the payment method. If you press the place order button, the advertiser's deposit information will appear. Before making the payment, please be sure to check the advertiser's chat. After checking the advertiser's deposit information one more time, proceed with the payment using the selected transaction method. Once the payment is complete, go back to the Binance app and press the Upload Payment Proof button below. Please upload at least one payment proof. Then check the consent box below and press Transferred, Notify Seller. Now, while the seller is confirming the payment, go back to the home screen. Press the Assets button at the bottom right and press the Spot button. Once the seller confirms the payment, after a short while, you will be able to see that the coin has been deposited into your Spot wallet. Third, I'll show you how to trade Binance futures. To start futures trading, you need to transfer the coins you hold in Spot to futures. First, press Spot Wallet, and then press the Transfer button to transfer the coins. Set the transfer direction from Spot Wallet to USDM futures. Select the coin to transfer, and please also enter the amount to transfer. Then after a short while, the coin will be transferred to your futures wallet. Now, let's start futures trading. Please press the Futures button at the bottom right. Then the futures trading screen will appear. First, if you press this button at the top left, the list of coins will appear. Please select the coin you want to trade in futures. If you press this button below, you can set the margin mode. Cross is a method of opening a position using the entire margin. And Isolated is a method of opening a position using only part of the margin. If this is your first trade, I recommend the relatively safer Isolated method. If you press the button next to it, you can set the leverage. On Binance, you can set it up to 150x. However, the higher the leverage, the greater the profit, but the greater the risk of loss as well. So if this is your first trade, I recommend safely trading with low leverage. Next, if you press this button, you can choose the position direction. If you think the coin price will go up, press buy. And if you think the coin price will go down, press sell. In this section, you can see the margin available to use. If you press this button below, you can set the order type. Limit is a method of placing an order at a specified price. And market is a method of placing an order immediately at the current market price. Here, you can set the trading price and quantity. Again, if you think the coin price will go up, press buy long. And if you think the coin price will go down, press sell short. Once your selection is complete, the position will be entered. If you press the Positions button below, you can see the status of the entered coin position. Here, ROI means the current rate of return. Entry price means the price at which the position was entered. And mark price means the current market price. Leak price means the liquidation price. And if the price reaches that level, the position will be forcibly liquidated. Next, if you press the TPSL button here, you can set the take profit price and stop loss price to manage risk. Lastly, if you press the close button, you can close the position. Market means closing immediately at the current market price. And the limit means closing at a specified price. Please enter the price and quantity to close. And press the confirm button. Then you will be able to see that the position has been closed today, so that even those of you who are using Binance for the first time can easily follow along. I explained in detail, step by step, the entire process through the app, from how to sign up, to peer-to-peer trading, and even futures trading. If you have any questions or run into any difficulties, please feel free to ask in the comments. If you liked today's video, please make sure to subscribe and like. I'll come back with an even better video next time.